law protecting Alabama IVF may do more harm than good, critics say. Iowa Republicans pass personhood bill that critics say could threaten IVF care. Two Alabama fertility clinics say they will resume IVF service. After will be to protect doctors' passes. Biden campaign releases new AD that address the president age. Biden put to rest question about his age during State of the Union. VP Harris says Kamala Harris won't say whether she or Biden will participate in president debates. What all generated image of Trump surrounded by black voter mean for this election? Disappointing Biden reference to an illegal upset some Democratic allies. Texas government great about embraces rule a stop Biden antagonist on border. Biden Ozaport plane might not be ready for short days. US food drop over Gaza are criticized as too little and ineffective. In the range of Gaza, children are starving to death and there are no case fire in sight. Senate passes major government funding bill just in time to prevent a shutdown. House Republicans considered a loan program for some Ukraine aid.